Hey everyone. So today's focus is trying to explain our thinking when we're doing math. A lot of times with math, we're worried a lot about the numbers, and sometimes we don't really express how we got that answer. We aren't able to explain how we got that answer. So today and tomorrow we're going to focus on that, okay? So I'm going to walk us through this problem here. 564 take away 395, okay? So I'm going to do the math problem and show you how I'm thinking as I do the problem, okay? We call it a think aloud. So I'm talking about what I'm thinking, okay? So you're going to try this today too. First, I know I'm going to start in the ones place. So I look in our little rhyme, more on the floor, go next door. So in my head, I'm thinking the number on the floor, the number on the bottom is bigger. So I cannot subtract. I cannot take 5 away from 4. So I need to go to the tens place and I need to borrow. Okay, so if I take a 10 away, this goes from 60 to 50. And that 10 I'm going to give to the 4. So I just took a 10 from the tens place and I gave it to the ones place. So now I have 14 take away 5, and I can do that. So I'm thinking I could, in my head, what is 5 plus what number equals 14? So maybe I can count up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 9. Now I look at the next place over, the tens place. 5 take away 9. Can I do that? There's more on the floor, go next door. I cannot take 5 take away 9. So I have to go to the hundreds place. And that 5 becomes a 4. We know that the value of this 5 is really 500. If I'm taking 1 away, I'm taking 100 away. So that's a 4 now. So I'm going to give that 1 that I took away to that 5. Now I have 15 take away 9. I'm going to go through the same strategy. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer is 6. 4 take away 3. Can I do that? I hope so, because there's no more place values to borrow from. So 4 take away 3 is 1. So 564 take away 395 equals 169. That's kind of how I can talk myself through how to do a math problem, okay? When I have to regroup, I need to understand that when I'm taking a number away from there, it's a whole value that I'm adding to that ones place, or a value that I'm adding to the tens place, okay? So let's try to do a couple math problems today with regrouping, and I'm going to listen to you think aloud. I'm going to listen to you explain how you got your answer, and be ready to answer why. I might ask you, why are you doing it that way? It doesn't mean you're wrong, but I want to understand. I want your classmates to understand, okay? All right, thank you for listening, and have fun with this. Math can be stressful, but this shouldn't be stressful. We'll talk it through and figure it out.